Dry cough treatment in just 5 minutes. 1. Hydration Hero. Drink lots of water to keep your throat moisturized and ease dry cough. 2. Honey Healer. Mix honey in warm water for a soothing elixir that calms your irritated throat. 3. Ginger Magic. Brew ginger tea with honey for its anti-inflammatory properties to tackle that stubborn cough. 4. Steam Symphony. Inhale steam with a few drops of eucalyptus oil for quick relief and easier breathing. 5. Saltwater Savior. Gargle with warm salt water to reduce inflammation and tame your persistent cough. 6. Minty Freshness. Sip on mint tea to benefit from its menthol goodness, providing a cooling effect. 7. Lozenge Love. Grab throat lozenges to temporarily silence the cough and soothe your irritated throat. 8. Humidify Haven. Use a humidifier to add moisture to the air, alleviating dryness and irritation. 9. No Smoking Zone. Avoid smoke and other irritants to give your throat the break it needs. 10. Pillow Prop. Elevate your head while sleeping to ease nighttime coughing. These quick remedies can bring speedy relief to your dry cough. If you like my video, kindly like, comment and share with your friends and family, and also subscribe my channel for more tips and remedies. Thank you.